Hello guys, myself Anshuman Jaiswal welcome you all in my Commerce Gateway classes. In our previous classes, we have understand the condition number 1 for calculating the amount of depreciation when rate of depreciation is not given. And in today's lecture, we are going to start with condition number 2 when rate of depreciation is given. Then what we have to do. So let's get start to our lecture. So, condition number 2 is when rate of depreciation is not given. When rate of depreciation is given. When rate of depreciation is given, then you have to calculate the amount of depreciation by the formula. That is, amount of depreciation is equal to original cost of the asset into rate divided by 100. By doing this, we get the amount of depreciation. Now, we will take today 3 practical examples to illustrate when rate of depreciation is given. Okay students, so let's get start to our concept. Question number 1. Question number 1. Now let me read out the question. That what is question number 1 states that Harsh Limited purchase machine for rupees 8,000 on 1st of April 2016. Spent rupees 2,000 on installation. Depreciation charge at the rate 20% per annum. Books of accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Prepare machine account till 3 years. So this is a question that it is stating. Harsh Limited purchased machine for rupees 8,000 on 1st of April 2016. Spent 2,000 on its installation and depreciation charge at the rate 20% per annum. Books of accounts are closed on 31st March every year. You have to make sure that when the books of accounts are closing, according to that we have to make the treatment. And in that, after that it is telling prepare machine account till 3 years. Means from 1st of April 2016 to 31st March 2019 we have to prepare an asset. So it's very simple. Let us calculate it. So first we have to prepare asset account. You can take the screenshot of the question. Now I'm going to make a solution for it. So you have to write here machine account, debit side, credit side, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. So okay, now we are purchasing machinery on 2016 1st of April. So we'll make the payment through bank. So we'll write here bank. Can you tell me what will be the cost of the machine? the cost of the machine will be 10,000. That is 8,000 its purchase price plus 2,000 on its installation. So the original cost of the machine is 10,000. Now for first year, till 1 year we will charge the depreciation. 2017 31st March by depreciation account. So can you tell me what will be the amount of depreciation? So the amount of depreciation will be original cost of the asset into rate divided by 100. Original cost of the asset is 10,000. Rate in the question is 20%. So we'll calculate what we'll get. 2,000 is the amount of depreciation. And now this 2,000 will be kept constant for upcoming 3 years. So these 2,000 we will write here. This calculation you have to do working notes. In working notes after preparing an asset account. So we get the amount of depreciation. Now what will be the balance carried down? The balance carried down will be 8,000. The balance carried down will be 8,000. Hope so the calculation is clear to you. Now taking the transactions next. Now these balance carried down will be brought down in the next year. 2017 1st of April to balance BD. It is 8,000. Now again for 1 year the depreciation charge will be 2,000 since we are applying straight line method. 2018 31st March by depreciation account constant. Now the balance carried down will be 8,000 minus 2,000. So it will be 6,000. Now we will close an account. 10,000 here. I forgot to close earlier. 10,000 here. 8,000 here. 8,000 here. Now again next year the balance carried down will be brought down. 2018 1st of April to balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be 6,000. Now again for 1 year the depreciation will be charged after 1 year. 2019 31st March by depreciation account. Again 2,000 constant and by balance carried down. The balance carried down will be 4,000. Now we are going to close the account. 6,000, 6,000. Again this balance carried down will be brought down in the next year. 2019 1st of April to balance brought down. So it will be 4,000. As we have completed our question, hope so the concept of first question is clear to you when rate of depreciation is given. Now we will take another question to make the concept clear. So let's get started to our next question. So question number 2, let me read it for you. The question number 2, is here. Let me write a question for you and you can take the screenshot of that. On 1st of April 2016, which date? On 1st of April 2016, ABC Limited purchased truck for rupees 3 lakhs. C Limited purchased truck for rupees 3 lakh on, and after that on 1st of October 2016, on the same year but in the next month, additional truck was purchased. Additional truck was purchased for rupees 1,50,000. 1,50,000. and on 1st September 2018, another truck, that is, we can say that additional truck was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. For rupees 1 lakh. Depreciation charged at the rate 10% per annum. Prepare truck account till 31st of March 2019. So the question is very simple and it is quite similar to first question. So let us try to solve this solution for it. Or let us try to solve the question. So first again, you can take a screenshot of the question. I am rubbing it and I am preparing a solution for you. So again you have to prepare truck account, name of the asset, debit side, credit side, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Now when we are purchasing a truck, we are purchasing the truck on 1st of April 2016. On 2016, 1st of April, we are purchasing the truck. So we are making the payment through bank. So to bank account, it will be rupees 3 lakh. Okay students, till now no confusion. Now for first year, the depreciation charge 2017 31st March by depreciation. But wait a children 1 minute. In the same year, other truck is also purchased on 1st of October. So again, we'll make the payment through bank for additional truck. So additional truck is purchased for rupees 1,50,000. Wait children, let me see that whether it is 1,50,000 or the amount is different. Yes, it is 1,50,000. Now for first machine, we have purchased on 1st of April for rupees 3 lakh. The depreciation charge will be for 1 year. So first truck, it will be 3 lakh and 10% 30,000. And additional truck we are purchasing on 1st of October. So 1st of October to 31st March, the depreciation charge will be of 6 months and 10% as usual. 1,50,000, 10%, 15,000. 15,000 and it's 6 months, 7,500. So you can write here 37,500 we get our depreciation. Nothing but to do original cost into rate divided by 100. We get simple that amount of depreciation. Now the balance carried down. The balance carried down we will be by balance CD. 3 lakh minus 30,000, 2,70,000 and 1,50,000 minus 7,500, 1,42,500. So you can do the total 500 here, 2 here, 1 here, 4,12,500. So our total will be 4,50,000 and when you will total it here, 1,000 here, 10 here, 4,50,000. This will be also same. Now the balance carried down will be brought down in the next year, 2017, 1st of April. To balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first 2,70,000. Second, it will be 1,42,500. So 4 lakh, it will be 500 to 4,12,500. Now again depreciation will be charged after 1 year. So 2018, 31st March by depreciation account. So for first year, the depreciation charge will be 10%, for 1 year 30,000, and now second year 1,50,000, and now it will be 10%, 15,000. We can't write 7,500 because the depreciation for 6 months is already calculated. Now we'll calculate for other 6 months, so it will become 1 year. So it will be 15,000. So in total it will get 45,000, and the balance carried down will be first 2,70,000 minus 30,000, 2,40,000, and second 1,42,500 minus 15,000. It will be 1,42,500 and 15,000. 1,27,500. Yes, 1,27,500. So it will be 500 here, 7 here, 4 to 6 here, 3,67,500. And when you will total it, 4,12,500, 3,67,500, or 45,000. 500 here, 7,512 here. Yes, the total becomes equal. So we are doing our calculations correctly. So 4,12,500, 4,12,500. Now, next year, now we have prepared the asset account, our trunk account for 2 years. Now we have prepared it for 1 more year. So let us do it. Now it will be the balance carried on will be brought down here because the space is not there, so I can't take it over here. So 2018, 1st of April, to balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first 2,40,000 and second 1,27,500. So it will be 3,67,500. Now on the same year, another truck is purchased. Now let me check it once again. On 1st September, we are purchasing additional truck. So to bank account, we are making the payment through bank for additional truck, and it is a 1 lakh. Now the depreciation charge will be again constant. Wait, children, let me make a space. Now it gets fit. The depreciation charge for first machinery will be constant, 30,000. The depreciation charge for the second machinery will also be constant, 15,000. And the depreciation charge for third machinery, 1 lakh, 10%, 10,000 and 10,000 of just 6 months. It will be 5,000. Why we are taking 6 months? Because we are purchasing machinery on 1st September 2018. So it will be 2019. So from 1st September to 31st March, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It will be not March, it will be not 6 months, it will be wait there is a confusion. September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It will be 7 months. So we have to calculate according to 7 months. Wait, let me see a question if there is any quote. It is not 1st September, we are purchasing it on 30 September. So while noting the question, make a change in it that the machinery was purchased on 30, the additional truck was purchased on 30 September, not 1st September. So now it will be 5,000 for 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March. Now the total depreciation, the total amount of depreciation will be 50,000, and the balance carried down will be again 240 minus 30, 2,10,000. Now 1,27,500 minus 15,000, 1,27 and 15. 1,12,500, and again 1 lakh minus 5,000, it will be 95,000. So if we total it, we get the amount of balance 2,10,000, 2,10,000, 1,12,500. So it will be 500 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3,22,500, 95,000, 500 here, 527 here, 4,17,500. We get the balance. So the total will be 4,67,500, and here also it will be 4,70,500 and plus 50,000, it will be 4,67,500. So this was all for question number 2. Hope so the concept is clear to you. Now we will do our last question, that is question number 3, and it will be also quite similar to previous 2 questions. So let's get started to our third question. But wait, let me write a question for you. Now, question number 3. Question number 3, what it states. Yes, I got a question that B Limited purchase second hand machine for rupees 56,000 on 1st July 2011. Spend 24,000 on repairs and 5,000 carriage Now on 1st of September 2012, additional machine was purchased for rupees 2,50,000. Machinery was purchased for rupees 2,50,000, and in this also spent rupees 10,000 on installation. So depreciation charged at the rate 10% per annum. 10% per annum. Prepare asset account till 31st December 2014, and books are closed on 31st December every year. So the question is quite similar to previous 2 questions. Just have to make the adjustments in this question. Nothing is that. So you can take the screenshot of the question, and now I'm going to solve the solution for it. Okay. So again we have to prepare machine account. If you are eligible to solve it by yourself, you can do it. Those you have done, just match the question with me. Machine account. Debit aspect, credit aspect. Date, particulars, amount, date, plus amount. Now, when we are purchasing the machinery, we are purchasing the machinery on 1st July 2011. 2011, 1st July. So we are making the payment through bank. And what is the original cost of the machinery? The original cost of the machinery is 56,000 plus 24,000 on its repair. This is purchase price, this is repair, its expense, and this is one more 5,000 on its carriage. So the original cost of the machine will be 56 plus 24 and plus 5. It will be 85,000. So the original cost of the machine is 85,000, and for 1 year the depreciation will be charged at the rate 10%. So 2011, 31st of December 2011, sorry, it will be 2012, 31st December by depreciation. So 85,000, 10%, 8,500, and for July to December it will be July, August, September, October, November, December. For 6 months the depreciation will be charged. So 85,000, 8,500, just half of 8,500 is 4,250. So the balance carried down will be 85,000 minus 4,250, it will be 80,750. 80,750. As I have already done this question, so I am directly noting down the answer. So again, the balance we will do a total 85,000 here, 85,000 here. You can also see that 8,500 will do just half of it, so it will become 4,250. Yes. Okay, students, clear to you? Now, the next year the balance carried down will be brought down. 1st of April, to balance brought down 80,750. Now, again in next year, that is in 2012, on 1st of September, we are purchasing another machinery. And what is the original cost of the machinery? The original cost of the machinery is 2,50,000 plus 10,000. 2,60,000 is the original cost of the machinery. Now again, depreciation charge 2013, 31st March by depreciation account. So first machinery, the depreciation will be charged, it will be 31st, it will be 1st January, and it will be 31st December, since the books of accounts are closing on 31st December. So for first year the depreciation charge will be constant, 8,500, and second year 2,60,000, just 10%, 26,000, and 26,000 we will calculate it for September, October, November, December. For 4 months we will calculate. So 1 by 3, it will be, let me see, 8,667. 8,667. As I have taken it off, it is coming in point, I have taken round off. So you can also do that, you can do it round off figure. So it will be, the total will become 17,167. And now we will balance the figure. The balance carried down will be 80,750 minus 8,500. So it will be 72,250. And 2,60,000 minus 8,667, it will be 2,51,333. So it will come 3 3,23,583. As I'm seeing and mobile and doing the calculation, so that our time do not waste in solving the calculation part. So again this balance will be carried down. 2013 1st of April, sorry, it will be 1st of January. So 2 balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be first machinery 72,250, and for second machinery it will be 2,51,333. So as you can total it, we will get 3,23,583. Now again the depreciation charge for the next year 2014, 31st December by depreciation account. First 8,500, second 26,000. So total it will be 34,500. And next the balance carried down will be 72,250 minus 8,500. So it will become 63,750. 63,750, and 2,51,333 minus 26,000, it will become 2,25,333. Then we will do the total it, we will get 2,03,538, 7,310, this 8, sorry, it will be 982, 2,89,083. So the balance carried down will be 3,23,583, and here we get 3,23,583. And now the balance carried down will be here in 2014, 31st of sorry, it will be 1st of January. So you can write here 2 balance brought down. So the balance brought down will be 63,750, and second 2,25,333. So the total will be 2,89,083. Now you can make a balance 2,89,083, and here also 2 lakh. No, it is sufficient. So hope so this concept is clear to you. This was all for today's video. The next video will coming very soon. Till then, thank you. Stay safe and have a nice day.